Hi everyone, so today's video is on expanding a single bracket using the grid method. So I like to use this method because it links really nicely into expanding double brackets and factorising as well. You can use this method for. So for all of the questions that you do today and next lesson, you need to make sure that you're using a grid to show your workings. Okay, so if we think back to what this actually means, okay, so we've been using algebra tiles, or you can have a look at how algebra tiles work in this type of question. But what this actually means is this is 3 rows of x plus 5. So you'd have x plus 5 in each row, and you'd have 3 rows of them. So it's basically what you would have in total. And in class, we had a discussion saying that lots of means to multiply. So in between the 3 and the bracket it means that they are to be multiplied. Okay. And what that means is that you're multiplying everything that's on the inside of the bracket by 3. So there's a times there. Okay. And you're multiplying everything in the bracket by 3. Okay, so in this one, you're multiplying everything in the bracket by 4. Okay, so we're going to use the grid to do that. Okay, so on the outside of our grid goes what we're multiplying together, which is the number, which is going to go on the left side here. So there's 3. Okay, and then along the top, we're having x plus 5. So we've got x and 5. Okay, this is positive, so I could put a little plus here if I wanted to remind myself that it's positive. Okay, and then you use your knowledge of how to use the grid to work out the answers. So in this box here, we're going to multiply together 3 and x. So 3 times x, or 3 lots of x, are 3x. Okay, the next one, we're going to do 3 lots of 5. And 3 lots of 5 are 15. Okay, when it comes to writing our answer, we can't add these together, okay, because they're different. One's got an x and one hasn't. But what we do is we do put them together with an add between them because this number is positive. Okay, so it's 3x plus the 15. And if you can visualize your 3 rows and you've got an x and 5 ones in each row, I could do a little quick demonstration down here. So you've got an x and 5 ones, and I've got 3 rows of that. So there's my second row, there's my third row. Can you see I've got 3 x's and 15 ones? So that's why this is the answer. So if you wanted to check that you've got it right, you could just do yourself a little diagram. Okay, right, the next one then. So we've got 4 lots of x plus 1. So I've got 4 here, and I'm going to put my 1 and x, and my plus 1. Okay, so in this box, I'm going to multiply together 4 and x, and in this box, 4 and 1. So I've got 4x and 4. So my answer is quite simply 4x plus 4. When you're working through the questions, I'd really like you to set it up like this. So make sure that you do, please. Use pencil and a ruler when you're drawing. There aren't many questions for you to do. It's just have a little go at it. So have a go and enjoy.